Atak fans, AJ here. In this video, I'm going to cover how I'm using the FTP Cloud plugin in Atak to share fire mapping data in California. The Cloud-Ftp plugin allows you to reach out into any FTP service, browse data, download data, and import data directly into Atak. In this example, I'm using an own cloud online instance, but you can use any FTP service that you would like. The first thing you need to do is go to atak.gov and download the plugin. Currently, it's not available on the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the plugin and imported and installed in Atak, you need to open it up. We're going to choose download as a configuration style. When you first open this up, this would be blank. You would not have a current configuration. You can see my current configuration called ca-tac-ftp. You would hit add server, type in a name of your choice, use OwnCloud FTP or FTPS depending on the service you're using, put in the URL, username, password, and click self-sign certs. We'll back out of this and I'm going to share my configuration with you so you can access and download from my FTP site. What I've done is gone to the federal repository at ftp.wildfire.gov, gone into the California database, and downloaded the last operations map from all major fires in California from 2015 to present. I have that data hosted, broken up by South Ops and North Ops for easy browsing. So what you want to do is copy all this data I have here. You can name it whatever you want, but you need to make sure you chose for the type OwnCloud, this exact URL, this exact username and password, and click accept self-assigned certs. Hit OK, and now you've manually configured a download configuration. You can click on it and it's going to reach out to my FTP service. The root folder is Cal Data, and I have it broke up to North Ops and South Ops. We'll click North Ops, and you can see that it's got two folders. I have the current year folder and then historical fire folder. For this example, let's say we have a fire near Lake Shasta in the Shasta unit, and it was near the Fawn fire from 2021. I can click North Historical, go to 2021. You can see that it's broken up by both CAL FIRE units and U.S. Forest Service or federal units. And we're going to go to Shasta unit for CAL FIRE. And we're going to grab the Fawn fire. I'm going to do a check mark there, hit download, and I want to download and import. It's going to confirm my download folder. I hit download. And now you can see that it's reached out and it's starting to download the Fawn fire. Once it's downloaded, I will get a pop-up to confirm that it was downloaded, and then in Atak, I'll get a pop-up asking me how I want to import the file. The speed that this occurs depends on your internet connection. Right now I'm on LTE and it's moving pretty quick. Alright, it's downloaded, and hit clear. Now I'm back in Atak and it's asking me to select the desired import method. I want to use image overlay file. That allows you to put the map on top of any base map that you have. Right now I have the Google Hybrid open. I'm going to choose image overlay file. We can cancel out of this. Now I can hit my overlay manager, go to my image overlays, and now I can see the Shasta unit Fawn fire. If I click on that, it's going to take me directly to where the fire is, which is near Lake Shasta. And now I've got this map with all of the features in it that may be beneficial to me, like historic dozer line from this incident that might choose to be beneficial for the fire I have burning near it. So far we've covered how to manually configure an a own cloud FTP instance to use. A cool feature within this plugin is now I could share that out and share it as a preference file, so people don't have to manually type in the URL, username, and password. I'll open the plugin back up, and you can see I get this option for export. I can choose this server to export, and now it's made a pref file, and I can choose to share it either any of these ways, directly through Atak. I can choose to email it, and so on and so forth. What I've done is added it to my Google Drive. So I'll close out of here, and I have my Google Drive hosted at maps.taxserver.us. You can click on that. And if you go to this FTP folder, you can see that I've got that pref file here. You can download that from this folder, get it onto your Atak device, and then use the import feature in Atak to bring that in. If you've got the FTP Cloud plugin running, Atak will recognize that and automatically add that configuration. So no manual import or manually typing in of the URL, username, and password. So if you got a configuration set up that you want to share with everybody, that is a real convenient way to do it. If you have any questions or need help, you can comment on this in the YouTube channel, or you can reach me at ajohansson on wildfireintel.org. Hope this was helpful. Happy mapping.